Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw from Vantage trading account to crypto wallet. So first of all, make sure you generated an address from the crypto wallet in question. So let's say for example, I'm using Kraken, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the portfolio on the left hand menu and then hit deposit, right? And select your crypto you're trading with, maybe cash, stocks, whatever. Now they support stocks, so if you trade stocks in Vantage, you can go and select your stock in question. So let's say for example I'm using Bitcoin, right? And I want to deposit more Bitcoin to my wallet. I'm gonna hit Bitcoin, the Bitcoin network, all right? I'm gonna copy the address, go to the Vantage and hit withdraw, all right? And we're gonna select the account that I'm using. Let's say I'm depositing or withdrawing 20, let's say 226,067, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit continue and select the withdrawal method of the network, and from there you can basically enter or paste the address from Kraken and transfer to safely to that wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.